Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. On demand of few of the viewers, I've come up with the MCQs from the chapter Animal Tissues. So let's solve the MCQs on animal tissues from 1 to 5. Many more to go, and as soon as possible I shall be uploading as per your demand. Please check with the playlist for the other chapters as well and keep studying with me.
This question relates with the chapter that is animal tissues, and the question is the blubber of the whale is composed of dash, and your options are A. Muscular tissue, B. Adipose tissue, C. Skeletal tissue, and D. Areolar tissue. And the perfect answer for this question, any guesses? It's adipose tissue. Now, what exactly do we mean by blubber? You can look on the screen. It's a section being taken. Blue whales eat a lot. The food helps them grow the blubber. Blubber is a kind of fat. It keeps the whales warm in cold water. Now, you can see the section here being taken. This is the outside layer of the skin. This is the inner layer of the skin. This entire thing, mass, is the blubber, and this is the muscle. So it helps them to keep themselves warm, and it also helps them float better and swim faster. Okay, please remember it's lipid rich substance. Collagen bhi hota hai usme, and it covers the whole body except for the appendages. Okay, and please remember that these are required to keep themselves warm. Okay, and also interesting thing is marine mammals at some points in their lives they do have the blubbers, and that can range from 2 inches thickness in dolphins and smaller whales up to 12 inches, and much more thicker in the bigger whales. So whales के जगह पे अगर आपको dolphin ऐसा question दिया गया तो भी answer would remain the same. So please remember it is a primary fat storage tissue. Okay, so it helps in saving the energy for the marine mammals. Okay, it adds buoyancy while swimming, but it differs from other forms of adipose tissue because it is extra thick and it acts as a thermal insulator, and blubber is much more vascularized, yani it is much rich in the blood vessels than the other known adipose tissues, and because of these the whales can survive even at a temperature of 4 degrees. Okay, so that is what is meant by blubber. I take you to the next question.
Ear pinnae contain a hard, flexible structure composed of dash A. Cartilage, B. Connective tissue, C. Bone, D. Ligament. And the correct answer for this question is A. Cartilage. So the ear pinnae contain a hard, flexible structure which is composed of cartilage. Question number 3. Which one of the following pairs of structures distinguishes a nerve cell from other types of cells? A. Vacuoles and fibers. B. Flagellum and medullary sheath. C. Nucleus and mitochondria. D. Perikaryon and dendrites. And the correct answer for this question is D. Perikaryon. That's nothing but the cell body. I hope you might have guessed it. So, perikaryon and dendrites are the pairs of structures that distinguish a nerve cell from other types of cells. Question number 4. In which one of the following preparations are you likely to come across cell junctions most frequently? And your options are A. Thrombocytes, B. Tendon, C. Hyaline cartilage, D. Ciliated epithelium. Any guesses? The answer has to be D. So, you're likely to come across cell junctions most frequently in ciliated epithelium. Friends, cell junctions come across most frequently in the preparation of ciliated epithelium. A cell junction basically is a structure within a tissue of a multicellular organism. So, cell junctions are abundant in epithelial tissue. They consist of protein complexes and they provide contact between the neighboring cells, between a cell and the extracellular matrix, or they even help in building up the paracellular barrier of the epithelia and control the transport across the cells. Now, ciliated epithelium is a region of epithelium that consists of columnar or cuboidal cells which bear hair-like projections which are capable of beating rapidly, and those we call them out as cilia, right? I hope you might have recollected. Now, ciliated epithelium performs the function of what? To moving particles of fluid over the epithelial surface. In such structures as the trachea, maybe the bronchial tubes and the nasal cavities. Now, it often occurs in the vicinity of the mucus secreting goblet cells as well. So, the other three options which have been mentioned here, like thrombocytes, the tendon, the hyaline cartilage, they belong to connective tissue. And connective tissue is widely distributed and has many functions, including support, packing, defense, and repair. Thrombocytes or platelets, they help in the formation of blood clots by releasing various protein substances. Tendon, you might be knowing, it attaches a muscle to a bone, and hyaline cartilage consists largely of glycosaminoglycan, giving a shiny glass-like appearance and gives flexibility and support at the joints. Question number 5. Areolar connective tissue joins dash. A. Bones with bones. B. Fat body with muscles. C. Integument with muscles. D. Bones with muscles. And the correct answer for this question is C. Areolar connective tissue joins integument with muscles. Friends, areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue. What is it made up of? It is made up of semi-fluid ground substance which contains several kinds of loosely arranged fibers. The main function of this tissue is to attach the skin to the underlying tissues, to fill the spaces between various organs, and it holds them in place and surrounds and supports the blood vessels. You know, tendons connect the muscles with the bone while ligaments connect bone with the bone. So that's the reason the right answer here is going to be integument with muscles. Friends, I'm sure the series will help you. Please subscribe if you are new to the channel, and please share it with your friends and help me reaching maximum students. Thank you so much.